Here's a couple of my overflow toolboxes. Haven't had these guys in the truck in ages. I don't even remember really what's in them. Let's check it out and see. Knife, Sharpie, little side cutters, folding rule. No one uses these, but these are great. Some tape, square, little trim bar, this guy's great. Little Klein, right angle attachment, side swiper, countersink, another knife. Lay these aside. Now we're getting into the good stuff. Some old time nut drivers. Various Vicks bits and whatever. Multi-tool blades. Japanese style saws. Hammer jack. Adjustables. Old Faithful. Stiletto trim hammer, another stapler, some binoculars for bird watching, feed square, garbage cocking gun, mallet, drywall saw, tiny battery, that Milwaukee trim square. That's actually pretty handy. I was looking for that. Swanson speed square. Handsaw. Sand blocks. Sand pad. Yeah, pretty good. Some of this stuff is actually pretty useful, and I should probably put this stuff back into my rotation.